Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time, but I promise I'll be consistent now. So, today's video is on this natural makeup look. If you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face. Now I'm going in with the Becca Mattifying Primer. For my foundation, I'm using the Adventure Superstay Foundation. For my cream blush, I'm using a lipstick from Urban Decay. Now I'm highlighting my face using a MAC concealer. I use 3 different shades. I use the darker shade for the outer corner and the lighter shade for the middle part of the highlighting. Then I use a very light shade for the inner corners of my eye. Now I'm blending it out. When blending out your concealer, you start from the outer part, then going into the inner corners. To set the concealer, the highlighted part, I'm using the Colourpop Banana Setting Powder. Now I'm going in with the Mystical Rose Powder Palette. I'm using the dark shades for contour. For my face powder, I'm also using one of the shades, which is my shade from that powder palette. For contouring my nose, I'm also using the dark shade I used to contour my face from that powder palette. For my brow, I already did have a brow tutorial on this particular brow. To be linked in the description box below. It's the previous video before this. And I'm using the Adventure Concealer as my primer. For my eyeshadow, I'm just using powder, different shades of powder from this palette, that's all. It's a natural look, so no colors. For my waterline, I'm using the Polar Beauty eye pencil in blue, just to have a little bit of color. Now I'm highlighting my cheekbones. Now for my lip, I first went in with the concealer. I did this because I wanted the lipstick to pop. I'm blending out the lip to avoid harsh lines. I'm going in with gloss to make the lip glossy. That's it, guys. This is the finished look. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you for watching. Please see my next video. Bye.